This free tutorial will be showing you turn on Google Safe Search Android online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so the first step to enable Google Safe Search on your Android Play Store or smartphone device basically is to open up your search engine or browser. In this case, I am using Google Chrome, and I'm going to type in here on the search bar something that we would like to safe search. In this case, OnlyFans model is the search inquiry. And as you can see currently, Google has successfully filtered on the safe search. You can click off, you can click blur. And as you can see, filter is actually an extra step for Google Safe Search than blur. Because if you can see now, if we go to images, filter, and then if we were to go to blur, unfortunately, Google will still show you some of the images or pictures even if you do have blurred. Or should I say, this is still worse off. So basically, if you want to have extra protection, you want to click the filter option. In this case, it's the third option. And now you have successfully filtered or enabled Google Safe Search online completely for free with Android Play Store and smartphone devices.